Hey everyone, welcome back to another Fortnite Save the World video. So, after last game update, you must notice how the Xenon bow is very weak now against the UFO in Twine Peaks. Like, do you see this? 7 shots to destroy it. Not just that, I was running a full loadout buffing my weapon. And I'm max power level, 145, all my stats are max. Before, I was able to 2-shot it most of the times. Sometimes 3, if my weapon doesn't crit much, and sometimes only 1 shot. Yes, 1 shot, and it happens a lot by the way. All of that without a loadout buffing my weapon. Now it takes 7, or even more, which is very weird. Since we didn't get any information about any changes to the Xenon bow. Not like the last time when we got some news in the home base report about some weapons nerf. Well, bugs fixes. I checked the home base report on Reddit, and nothing about it at all. I hope it's just a bug and will get fixed soon. Or maybe it was actually a bug in the game for years that allowed us to destroy it that fast with this weapon, who knows? Remember this video? Remember what I said? Well, I hope I was wrong and still wrong. Let me know in the comments if you know anything about that, or if I missed something. But I think it's just a bug, we'll tell you why in a moment. I'm just updating you, I got a lot of comments about it after last update. As you see in this clip, I tried a lot of different snipers and bows against the UFO. Like the old school weapons we used to use against the UFO before the Xenon bow was released. The Yeoman was one of the best. A lot of weapons out-damaged the Xenon bow. Especially the vacuum tube. A lot of factors affect that, of course. The weapons perks, your stats, the loadout you are using, and etc. This was just a quick test. We'll test more, of course. Mainly the launchers. But it's a bit tricky, since you need to be close to the UFO. Same with assault rifles. Also, I did 2 tests regarding this point. One with a loadout buffing my weapon, and one without. And the damage was almost the same, almost no difference, which is very weird. Maybe I wasn't luck with the crits again. Only one way to be sure, which is testing over and over and tracking the numbers. Which one of the most things I hate in this game. And by the way, that's why I don't cover weapons and heroes videos that much. Very annoying to just keep rejoining the same mission over and over just to test different perks or hero in your loadout. Or if you are looking for a smasher to test your weapon perks against, good luck with that. I know it's not a big deal. But for a game like Save the World, where we have ton of weapons and heroes to test, I would love to have like a test room like the other games. A place where you can place any type of husk at any level, to test your weapons and heroes against. You want to change the perks? Simple, you can do that in the same room without having to leave the mission and rejoin again. I really hope to see something like that in Save the World. Anyway, now let's go back to why I think it's really a bug. First, as I just mentioned how I didn't notice any difference between with and without a loadout buffing the Xenon bow. But again, not fully sure, need to test more to confirm that. Then I tested the weapon against normal husk and didn't notice any difference between now and before the update. Plus we didn't get any news about it. Typical bug in Save the World, hopefully. I know that some of you won't even bother if it's actually another nerf. Like it's just a simple small thing. But we got a lot of those lately. Again, maybe I'm wrong, and all of that is nothing. I hope so. By the way, here's the loadout I was using, in case you want to use it. One of the best loadout to buff snipers. Let me know what you think in the comments. I will update you once we get any news about this point. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to use code Larsis in the item shop and Epic Games Store if you want to support me, helps me a lot. As always, big thanks for all the channel members, super chat on the stream, everyone uses my creator code, and all the support, really appreciate it. Like, subscribe if you are enjoying the content, so YouTube algorithm will suggest the video for more people. Hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, see you in the next one.